The last lecture on adjectives is dealing with the predicative form, 修飾, the form ends a sentence, and the imperative form, 命令形, which ends a sentence while expressing a wish. After completing the previous 4 forms, the last 2 are rather easy to understand. Examples of adjectives in the predicative form. The predicative form is the form used in a dictionary for adjective, thus there is no change in the ending. 明し、明るし、多し、おぼつかなし、のどけし、短し. Then words from the second type of adjectives. 新しい、恋しい、難しい、虚しい、珍しい、惜しい. Here, make sure not to be misled by the name of a predicative or the form to end a sentence. For an adjective, to end a sentence with a predicative form is rather a very small number among all the usage for a given word. For most cases, while to end a statement, although comes to the end of a sentence, there will be a helper verb comes after the adjective. This fact is the same in the modern Japanese as well. Then we turn into imperative form. Here are examples from the first type of adjectives. 赤かれ、明るかれ、多かれ、おぼつかなかれ、のどけかれ、短かれ. Then examples from the second type. 新しかれ、恋しかれ、難しかれ、虚しかれ、珍しかれ、惜しかれ. Imperative, or to show a command to give an order, normally does not appear with the adjective. However, although rarely it does happen, for instance, to express a type of very strong wish and feeling of the speaker. This concludes the lectures on adjectives. Please complete these 2 drills from Kobun Online to write up the predicative form and then to find the imperative form for a given adjective. See you at the next lecture.